ChatGPT has most likely amazed everyone. It's the most advanced AI I have ever used, and it's already writing books that are sold on Amazon, making extremely successful tweets for influencers, and even writing and passing college tests. It is truly transforming the world. So launch your browser and go to chat.openai.com. Let's get started with the hacks. You'll be prompted to sign up. Simply provide your information and you should be set to go. Asking it to provide an overview is among the most effective things you can do with it right away. You can go ahead and copy a web link to an extremely lengthy article that you don't particularly want to spend your time reading. And then use ChatGPT. Simply copy the URL and let ChatGPT do its amazing job of condensing what would have been a lengthy post into a few phrases that you can read in a matter of seconds. Ask it to summarize this article for you in one sentence. But what really blew everyone's mind is you can ask it to summarize YouTube videos. This is really useful, especially when the videos are long, like this podcast, which was an hour and 12 minutes. All you do is select the link, hit the copy button, and once again in ChatGPT, ask it to summarize this video. Then paste the link, but importantly, head on back to the YouTube video and also copy the title. Then paste that title just below the link. It's not going to lie. Without using the title, you can sometimes get some mixed results. But once again, instantly it gives you a summary of what was actually in the video without having to spend an hour and 12 minutes. Where things get really crazy is it can summarize hundreds of pages in seconds. So again, instead of spending hours reading through files or documents, you can literally just copy the pages or text, then go into ChatGPT and type out TL:DR. Too long? Didn't read. Then just ask it to summarize in 2 sweet sentences for you. Paste all those pages of text and watch as this bad boy spits out the quickest summary you've ever seen. And the speed at which it can accomplish it is astounding. You can also ask ChatGPT to recap or explain everything that happened in the news or in the past if you're using the same web address on your phone. This will make the information much clearer and faster. However, it is only the beginning. You can do so much more. You can learn almost anything from it. Okay, before we continue, we like to ask for a few moments of your time. If you want to support us, please leave a like and click on the subscribe button. This would help us create more engaging content for you. Now moving back to where we left off. Okay, now let's imagine, nevertheless, that you needed to pick something up quickly. Essentially, you may ask ChatGPT to teach you everything you want to learn, rather than scouring Google or manuals. Amazingly, it provides you with a step-by-step manual and comprehensive instructions on how to get started. To begin playing the guitar, it indicated the chord, the fret, and even the string I should place my finger on. Additionally, based on my testing, it performs an excellent job at teaching various languages and even specific programs like Photoshop. And keep in mind that all this is completely free. Yes, it's free. What's even more amazing is that you may ask ChatGPT to answer your extremely irritating math assignment or a project that you're stuck on. It really does explain all you need to know. So I really wish I had this when I was a student again. Conveniently, you can still ask it to grade your homework or check the assignment after all of that. For instance, you may ask it to score your paper out of 100, and presto. Not only does it complete your assignment or project, but also provides you with an explanation of the grade it assigned. That is to say, you have the option to transform ChatGPT into TeachGPT or DarkGPT. Well, ChatGPT can help you become really healthy, but it's obviously not a medical professional. I was blown away by this. Let's assume for the moment that your goals are to become healthier, more muscular fit, and possibly lose weight. You can ask it for a comprehensive workout schedule, and to be honest, it provides excellent guidance, along with a fantastic plan to follow. Additionally, keep in mind that you can request further specifically if you feel that there isn't enough information. However, you can go one step further and request that ChatGPT create a weekly meal plan with calorie allowance for you, and see how intricate it can become. Then you may instruct it to take that meal plan and convert it into an absurd shopping list. And the way it categorized each of the many elements truly astounded me. Quite transformative, isn't it? You can also ask it to create a delicious recipe for you with the new food ingredients you already have in your kitchen. Thus, for instance, if you're short on ingredients, you may ask ChatGPT to suggest dishes based on the items you have on hand, and it will come up with several options. Alternatively, you can request a recipe for a certain dish. For example, let's say you have a nut allergy, or you'd like to make a vegan mac and cheese. Thus, ChatGPT is capable of becoming many different things, but can also become you. It's so insane that it's capable of this. However, let's assume that you went into ChatGPT after copying a message or email that you had written. It can learn to write like you by analyzing messages for you. In order for it to learn from your writing, it will ask you to put in the identical message or email that you wrote. And when you do, you'll see how accurate what it picks up is really crazy. To give you an example, I communicate informally. I enjoy using these terms, and I try to write humorously. Absolutely correct. This is similar to creating an artificial intelligence clone of oneself, and it can be quite helpful, particularly if you require ChatGPT to write and respond on your behalf. You literally give the impression that everyone wrote it. If it doesn't completely blow your mind, have a look at this. Anything can be pasted into ChatGPT and have to be rewritten in a specific person's style. Snoop Dogg, for instance. This was quite funny, and I was astounded at how flawlessly it was rewritten in his voice. The fact that he may assign identities makes it even better than Theo's World all the way. And the weird thing is, when it's in that character, you'll get better reactions. All you need to do is ask ChatGPT to pretend to be the desired person. Once it's done so, it will behave just like that every time you chat to it. Be it Snoop Dogg, Oprah Winfrey, or Abraham Lincoln. These are generally countless options available, and this may be quite helpful, particularly if you need to contact ChatGPT for advice. And now for something truly enjoyable. Once you've reinstalled Bowtrush inside ChatGPT, you'll find this new box with several options if you go back into Chrome extensions and look for it. More importantly, though, is you can also alter and personalize the way your ChatGPT looks by going into settings. Thus, you have other options, such as changing the hue to several distinct ones. I think this looks really great, and here's a ton of alternatives to pick from. In addition, this looks really awesome and offers a plethora of font options, as well as a dark and bright mode. You can get about 832 distinct combinations out of this in all. Go ahead and develop any style that makes you want to communicate with it. World Cup Generator is the latest ChatGPT plugin. It's actually one of my favorites. After installing it into a new chat, you can ask it to generate a fitness plan for you based on your goals and provide it with basic health statistics. It will then generate a very thorough exercise schedule for you in a matter of seconds, along with fantastic images that show you which muscles to focus on. Also, you can receive these incredible helpful videos that walk you through each exercise, which is very helpful if you're just starting off. This really elevates ChatGPT to a new level. Joking about is something that ChatGPT is gradually improving at, but you can make it even better by using this meme creator plugin. All you have to do is turn it on, and you can probably guess what will happen next. You simply ask it to make a meme for you, such as I prefer using the original iPhone over the Samsung. Once you click send, ChatGPT will use the plugin to produce a unique meme. Furthermore, these memes that it generates can be really funny. Another awesome feature is that you can really right-click on the picture, save it, and share it with your friends if you'd like. But you can do so with much more with ChatGPT, and just use it as your own customized meme generator. How about you? What do you think about these ChatGPT hacks? Let us know in the comments section down below what you think. If you want more content related to this topic, make sure to check out our channel. Take care. We'll see you in the next video.
It can write code in all major programming languages. And it understands images as input and can reason with them in sophisticated ways.